everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you a new item that I was received from a sponsored company. This time I received a pair of shoes from a website called vocosishoes.com. So someone from the website has reached out to me and telling me they're gonna send me a random pair of shoes so I can give my honest thought to the company, and you know, whatever they sent me is totally anonymous. Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is the box that came to me. So on the box it's like cold letter. They let me browse the website for a little bit, and to be honest, at first I am a little skeptical, but I decided to go for it in the end, and let's see what's gonna happen, and let's see what they're sending me this time. So they have a really good packaging, I would say. Oh my god. Inside they even include this, so I can put it in the back of the shoes, and I think I totally need to use it for this pair of shoes. Oh my god. Okay. I don't think I can walk on these shoes. Oh my god, it is way too high for me. I have never had a pair of shoes this high before. I live my life pretty comfortably. I will go for the pair of shoes that I know gonna give me some comfort, and I have to know for a fact that I could walk on it. And this pair of shoes, I don't think I'll be able to walk on it. So, but is it beautiful? I think it is beautiful. Oh, I really like this part about the shoes. So I just noticed this shoes, it doesn't have to be buckled up. So they have this right here. Oh, I like shoes that come with like a convenience. It's quite convenient, you know. It's really nice. Okay, I like that. So I can just open it up like that. It's very easy to hook in and take off. I like it. I like this portions of the convenience. So inside the shoes, it have the EKS embosses the bottom. Okay. I will never spend $1,000 on a pair of Louboutin shoes. I know they're very beautiful, and I personally admire it on other people, but I know they walk through hell and back wearing them, so I don't think I will ever be brave enough to spend that much money on a pair of shoes that's gonna kill me. So this pair of shoes, oh my god. Oh, so high. I don't think I can walk on it at all. And upon inspecting, I do see some of the imperfection. So on the side right here, you see how the shoe is already have a crack. Same thing on the other side. It's not perfect. So this is the first piece. Let me look at the second one. So they still have some glue residue on it. Glue. The imperfection right here. I could say that this will be very slippery. Even if it's not slippery, I don't think I can walk on it. Oh my god. Just now I did a little research on the pair of shoes that I'm receiving, and this pair of shoes is retail for $59.99 from their website. They listed it at $99, but then they give 40% off, so right now it's $59.99. And in their website they also have a promotion going on right now that if you spend $99 you're gonna have $15 off your totals, or if you spend $149 you could have $25 off. And they also give me a coupon code which is Nini, so just simple put in Nini and you're gonna have 10% off on top of the promotion they are having. Also, I have been looking at all the pair of shoes that they have in their website, and I think they are all designer inspired. Just like the pairs that I received right now, is this actually look like something that came out from Cushion Louboutin. So there are tons of other brands that the shoes inspired from. If you like some designer inspired shoes, I think this is a good company to go for. On top of that, this pair of shoes they sent to me, oh my god, to be honest, I cannot wear it. It's way too high for me. I cannot walk in it because I feel like if I try to walk in it, I'm gonna lose a couple of my teeth trying to. So if you are looking for something inspired designer, okay, inspired designer are different than replica, so please be clear, this is not a replica. They do not have any of the brand stamping on them except the brand that the shoe came with. So just like my pair of shoes, there is nothing that say Cushion Louboutin on it, so be aware this is not replica. Also, I think the price point and the material does match. $60 for this kind of shoes is actually what you could pay anywhere else. And also the package arrived pretty early. From the day I talked to them until the day I received the products, it's about 10 days in between, so I think it's pretty fast shipping as well. And also they are from China, as far as I know. Another thing that I saw from their website is they do offer free shipping on every single pair of shoes. So even if you just buy one pair of shoes, there are free shipping. The only thing they do not offer is free returns. So if you buy it, please be thoughtful and make sure that you're gonna fit. Like normally I am 36.5, but I know myself, so whenever I pair this, like whenever I wear this kind of shoes, I will always go for half a size up because I don't want to kill my toes. So I told them I want size 37, and it turned out it fit pretty nicely for me, size 37. So maybe you should order a size up, I think. So if you order a size and it doesn't fit, I don't think they're gonna cover free returns. And also, if you want to file exchange or returns, you have to talk to someone first. So within 14 days, you have to be able to reach someone and asking for return or exchange. You cannot to send the shoes back. So I think it's a little bit complicated, but I think it's worth it if you like the look and if you just want something, you know, inspire for a fraction of the money. So I think this is a good website to try out for. And again, if you want to use my code, it's Nini. Easy to remember, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video.